G'day guys, my name is Russ and I'm the barbecue guy here at Appliances Online. Barbecues, it's an all seasons affair. So what we're going to do, we're going to give you some tips and tricks on how to maximise your backyard cooking experience, impress your friends and have a damn good time while doing it. So let's get grilling. So today we're going to be direct grilling some Scotch fillet steaks. Now some people may know them as ribeye steaks. You buy a primal cut, you may know it as a cube roll. But these are perfect. I mean, these are good size, they are nice and thick. You want to keep it simple for steaks. So the easiest way, a little bit of olive oil, just rub it in. What that's going to do, that's going to help to keep the moisture in there. That's also going to give the salt and pepper that we're going to put onto it something to bind to. We're just using fine ground up salt. And we're just going to sprinkle it. You know, be a little bit liberal with it, don't be shy, but you don't want it to make it look like it's got dandruff. So we're going to do the same with pepper. We're using cracked black pepper. We're going to flip it over, we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take those steaks, we're going to put them on the Weber family queue. We've had the lid closed, we've been preheating this for 10 to 15 minutes to make sure those grills nice and hot. We're going to put those at a 45-degree angle. We're going to get those crisscross steakhouse marks. Close the lid, see you in 2.5 minutes. We're at the halfway point now, so it's time to flip those steaks. We've got those crisscross sear marks. These are looking good. So it's been about 10 minutes, these steaks are done. So we're going to take these off the grill, we're going to put them aside, we're going to let them rest, put a little bit of foil on top, create a loose tent. We're going to leave it like that, 3 to 5 minutes, it's going to redistribute those juices inside that protein. It's time to take the foil off, slice into them, plate them up, eat like champs. It's now time just to put a little bit of charcoal salt on it. It's going to give it that little bit of extra barbecue flavour. It's going to really pop and stand out. Amazing. So there it is, steakhouse quality steak in your backyard. So be sure to follow us on Instagram, head to our website as well. There you'll see the full range of barbecues, learn more tips and tricks. Be sure to follow us next time to be king of the grill.